what's that? I mean, what's that? Huh? I don't. Oh, I like your emoji like that. I don't know what's that, huh? Oh, you're back, the fastest man alive. I messaged you on Charlie. I said thank you. Where have you been earlier? I really like your profile picture. Ah, sleep, sleep, sleep. God. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, it's night there. Hey, what's that squeeze? You win, but it didn't go through? Or what? Well, you gonna watch movie? Oh, yeah, it's night there. It's almost afternoon here. You're gonna watch movie or, do your... Kidding. I I changed my top because I searched that if if Bigo sees your what you call it torso, right? They ban like that. So I cover it all. No ha, no, don't scratch. Hey, your front mo ay super nonchalant. Like, oh, what time is there, Barry Allen? Di ba YouTube? I was really confused and United. Hala, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. Is that the ano? Oh, it's PM AM here. I was really confused because you both are in United States. However, the problem is why is your time is not the same? The time is not the same. Thank you so much. There's three different. That's why I was really confused always about that. What time is their squeeze? I was really confused when someone messaged me. It's ano here. It's two a.m. in the morning. Then someone will message me. Some asking inquiries. Someone will message me. It's 11 p.m. like that. I was very confused. And then you both are you lying with me or yet? Central. That's why. Okay, I got it now. Cause here in the Philippines, we have many ano here, many city, but we have the same time. Oh, so you two are the same. Wow, perfect. Oh, so that's how works there. Siguro if I'm gonna go to the US, I'm gonna really have a jet lag. Jet lag. I'm really gonna have a jet lag. Yeah, United people are very cool. Huh? Fuck you. Pakabol. Hoy, don't say that here. Fuck you, bug. I'm gonna punch your face. Oh, autism, I'm gonna punch your face. This autism will punch your face. You get... No. Jet lag. Oh, yeah. You please know my face, really. Lol. Oh, di ba? You said you're gonna go to Manila. When? When you gonna go to Manila? Cute. I see you cute. It's June now. The last week of June. Thank you so much, Chris. Di ba, we win 99, but you didn't, you know. Ow. Mine is the first week of July. But I'm just gonna stay there for 3 nights and 4 days. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Then, how many days are you in Manila, in Philippines? Oh my God! Are we gonna go to the... There's so many lady boy in here in Bigo from Philippines. Why not hook with them? I mean, I don't have against about them, but just please, 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 pretty please, take care of yourself and beware, be wise. Maybe you can hurt them because you're so big. Big guy. Happy now, regret later if you have that illness. But yeah, Philippines is one of the most country that many positive. You know what I mean. Just it's okay, cause experience. However, just be careful. Wear protection. Okay. I don't have against because I have friends. My mostly of my friends are lady boys, lady girls. Oh, oh, you have the protection, and then you're gonna put cellophane, and then you're gonna cover it, wrap, super wrap, before you enter. Why? Am I bad for you? Why do people say Filipino Asians are the bad? Oh, you know what? When you go here in the Philippines, you're like a celebrity. Swear. And then mostly Filipinos are hospitality, even though they don't have money to to and for instance, you're gonna go to their house, and then you know since sometimes they don't have money, they gonna borrow in like a store and then buy you some foods. That's how we are. Okay, we are the land of hospitality. What? Oh, did I hit you, Squeeze? Huh? Oh wow, in your experience, Squeeze, have you met Asian or Filipino? Because you're a traveler. Since you're a traveler, right? And then how was the experience, Barry Allen? How was the experience, Squeeze? When you met Asian or specifically Filipino or Filipino? And then what happened, Barry Allen? Oh yeah, we are very short. Filipinas very short, swear. Oh yeah, I got you. What sometimes we are nice always. Oh well, it really depends on the humor. The humor. Well, the vibe. If we vibe, then that's it. That this is our why. What did happen? Did she hit you? Well, you know what? Squeeze is very common in girls. Even not Asians or Filipina, they were gonna hit you when they're laughing. Yeah, of course, Filipina are pretty. And I really embrace my skin, me as a Morana. I don't use whitening products. Swear. I really embrace my skin. Well, in fact, there are so many foreigners here and then they wanna hook up with me and then I don't want to. Why not in a term that really like that. It's just like when we are happy, when there is a joke or we are laughing, we really gonna hit. It's like what you call about that, huh? It's like a common here, very common. Well, why there's come here in the cruise? Well, why not ask her? Hey, let's go to my room. Oh, diba? You didn't do that. You didn't do that. So you're a shy person, very alert. Hi, Pedro. You a shy person? Oh, I couldn't answer because they will have worker cabin. Oh, that's why. I think you gotta hook up in the Philippines. Mostly in the Manila, there are so many pretty girls, especially in BJC. Yeah. There's so many 22, 21, 23, 24, 25 in the Philippines. And they are so pretty. Fair skin, morena, mestizas. Oh yeah, that's one of the factor. She was old. Well, at least her face, his physical appearance, her face card is pretty young. But beautiful, young. Believe me or not, did you see my mom? Guess the age of my mom. Wait, I'm gonna let a picture. Okay. Hello, Tat. Wait, huh? This is my mom. Wait. I have her picture. That's my mom. I'm bigger than her. I don't have a close up. Diba? Mm-mm. That's my mom. She doesn't use